In 2024, Jim Cramer's investment strategies will guide investors toward promising stocks.
Things that people didn't bet, didn't understand, didn't know. Weaker dollar. I mean, no one was thinking weaker dollar. Some of the stocks that we picked during a decline still held up.
Highlighting a mix of sectors, Cramer's picks are a blend of stability and growth potential. In the world of artificial intelligence and automation, Symbotic Inc. SYM stands out. Supported by 12 hedge funds, its practical application of AI in warehouse automation makes it a strong contender in the market. Turning to real estate, Realty Income Corp. Offers a steady investment with its attractive 5% yield, garnering the support of 23 hedge funds. This stock's resilience and consistent dividends make it a solid choice for long-term investors. Topgolf Callaway Brands Corp. MODG is an appealing choice for sports enthusiasts. It is priced at around $14 and backed by 27 hedge funds. ARM Holdings, PLC, ARM, stands out in technology, particularly cell phones and PCs, supported by 35 hedge funds, indicating substantial growth potential. Lastly, in aerospace engineering services, Howmet Aerospace Inc., HWM, is recognized as an intelligent move away from more volatile sectors like Boeing. HWM is supported by 46 hedge funds and positioned for growth in a stable market segment. Cramer's picks for 2024 focus on companies that blend innovative potential with market stability, making them timely investments. To begin investing in these diverse sectors, consider a commission-free trading platform. Opening a free account grants access to up to 15 stocks worth $2,000 and a 5.1% APY on uninvested cash. Click the link in the description to start your investment journey and subscribe for more expert financial insights.